Okay, baby, what are you going to do?
We are India's.
Okay, so let's start.
Okay. Let's see here. This one? Yeah.
This is Arunachal Pradesh.
Arunachal Pradesh.
Okay. That's nice. Next.
Yeah. Assam.
Assam. Okay. Next. Okay, let's go with the next one. So these are 3 states together: Nagaland, Manipur, and Mizoram. Okay. Oh, there is some broken piece as well.
I broke it.
It has gone broken. Let's fix it. Okay, that's nice. So we have these 7 sisters,
Yeah.
and then there is one brother.
Yeah.
Sikkim. Sikkim is the brother.
Sikkim.
Okay. Next.
Yeah.
West Bengal.
West Bengal.
Okay. Next.
Yeah.
Bihar.
Bihar.
Very good. That's nice. Next.
Yeah.
Jharkhand.
Jharkhand.
Very good. Okay, that's okay. Next.
Yeah.
Odisha.
Orissa.
Okay, it comes here.
What's going on?
What's going on? We are making a map of India. Next. Andhra Pradesh.
Andhra Pradesh.
Where
Right
is-
here?
Okay, right here. Very nice. Next.
Yeah.
Karnataka.
Karnataka.
Okay, you know how to fit this puzzle.
Papa, Karnataka.
Karnataka. Okay, next.
Yeah.
Telangana.
Telangana.
Next.
Yeah.
Gujarat.
Gujarat.
Okay, you know about this as well. That's
This
nice.
Gujarat Jabal.
Yes, this is Gujarat. With Gandhinagar as its capital. What are you searching? Are you searching Tamil Nadu? So here we have Tamil Nadu.
Yeah.
Tamil Nadu.
Tamil Nadu.
Then this is Kerala.
Kerala.
No. Yes, very good. Let's go with the next one. We're almost halfway through.
What is the next?
What is the next one?
Another one? Yeah.
one seems to be like.
Ooh, this
This is Jammu and Kashmir.
Jammu Kashmir.
Okay, you know where is Jammu Kashmir? That's nice.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah. What's going on?
We are going to make a map of India.
Oh, Ladakh.
Ladakh. Okay.
Oh.
Uh-oh. Okay, let me hold it for you. Next.
Yeah, Ladakh.
ये Ladakh. Next. Next.
Yeah,
Rajasthan.
Rajasthan.
That's a big piece of land, no?
It's very big. Ooh.
Hoo-hoo.
Here is this. Yeah,
Madhya Pradesh.
Uttar Pradesh.
Okay, you know about this also. Next.
Yeah,
Show it to me. Uttar Pradesh.
Uttar Pradesh.
Okay, that fits in very nicely. Next. Only 4
Yeah.
states left now. 4 or 5?
Yeah,
Punjab.
Punjab.
No. I think 5 more left now.
Yeah,
Haryana.
Haryana. Right here.
Right here. Very nice.
Yeah,
Uttar Pradesh.
Uttar Pradesh.
No. This is Uttarakhand.
Uttarakhand.
Uttar Pradesh is quite big in comparison to Uttarakhand. Next. So this
Yeah.
part is all mountainous. It actually has a
Yeah.
lot of hills.
Yeah,
This is Himachal Pradesh.
Himachal Pradesh. Right here.
Right here.
Right now.
Okay, that looks good. Next.
Yeah,
Chhattisgarh.
check this out. Maharashtra.
Oh, that's nice. Maharashtra. And there you are.
Now flags.
We'll do them later. So we are done with the map. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Say thank you.
Thank you.